Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you DeepSeek AI trading bot. If you want to automate trading with AI, DeepSeek AI can power a smart trading bot. Firstly, sign up at DeepSeek open platform and go to API keys. In your account dashboard, generate a copy your API key. This API will allow your bot to use DeepSeek AI for market analysis, prediction, and trading insights. Now, make sure you have Python installed. Then install this pip install request pandas and cct deepseek. You'll find the code here. Now log into Binance, go to API management, create a new API key and enable trading permissions. Copy API key in secret and store them securely to set up Binance API in your bot. Just copy and paste this code. Now get live market data from the bot exactly because this posts live Bitcoin prices and trading volume. Now all you have to do is use DeepSeek AI to predict CRS and implement a simple trading strategy for it to automate the bot and then wait for the outcome. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.